What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, we'll be talking about the role of planet Mercury as Dharakaraka. What is Dharakaraka? It's a planet which holds the lowest degree in your horoscope. Previously, I have done a brief video on this topic which can help you to understand what each planet as Dharakaraka means. But yes, we needed a more elaborate analysis. So here I am. Let's start with our video. Atmakaraka is a planet which holds the highest degrees. It's an indicator of your soul, your personality. It represents such qualities which are inherent in nature. You already have these qualities since your birth. Dharakaraka is a planet which holds the lowest degree in your horoscope. It's an indicator of your soulmate, your spouse, and apart from that, it represents such qualities or such energies on which you really have to work hard. You might be weak in that area of life, or it simply means you have to chase these qualities in order to find balance. What happens when you score less in a subject? You try to work more hard on it because you seek balance. Balance is the key to success and happiness. So in the same way, Atmakaraka, the higher vibration, chases the Dharakaraka, the lower vibration, in order to get balance and stability. Atma knows that I'm weak in this area of life, or simply I need this thing to bring balance. So you will always chase the domain of this planet. Now, before we dive deeper into this analysis, there are few things which you need to consider. Number one, what all houses are ruled by planet Mercury? What is the Rashi and the house placement of this planet? Whether Mercury is in conjunction or aspected by any other planet? What is the dignity, the status of Mercury in Navamsha? Last but not the least, which planet is your Atmakaraka? And what kind of relationship it shares with planet Mercury? Is it enemy to this planet or friend? So all of these things need to be considered before you reach to any conclusion. First of all, let's understand how Mercury is going to impact your personality. Well, Mercury as Dharakaraka will push you to constantly seek for a very meaningful and strong friendship. You will look out for a person who will assist you to speak out and communicate with this world. Well, Mercury over here may give nervous nature or reluctance to speak out. It's not that you aren't intelligent enough, but there could be a fear of rejection. You may feel that your thoughts and ideas might get rejected by the world. Especially in terms of relationships, you might not be able to express yourself. There could be a lack of quick-witted nature and sudden response system, which would lead to ineffective communication. And we all know how communication creates a strong foundation of a relationship. If communication is not balanced, it leads to misunderstanding, and most importantly, others might take you for granted. So that smart and manipulative kind of nature, which is actually required to survive in this modern world, is somehow missing or weak. And because of that, you will look out for a person who will act as a mediator. This person will help you to speak out and blend with this world. Though Mercury is considered to be the young prince, but it doesn't belong to any gender. In fact, it is androgynous in nature. Planet Mercury, also known as Budh, was the illegitimate child of Devi Tara and the Chandradev. Budh was cursed by Dev Guru Brihaspati that this child would neither be a male or a female. So what does this indicate? Number one, you may attract a partner who is younger in age, younger than you.
And even if not in terms of age, maybe in mentality, in the way of thinking, this person will be quite young. And if Mercury is afflicted, then this person could be immature in nature. Number two, this is not common for everyone, but Mercury as Dharakaraka may give confusion about one's own sexual orientation, and even it may lead to homosexuality. But again, along with this, there are several other placements which needs to be considered. So this point is not for everyone, and we'll talk about this topic maybe in our next video. Last but not the least, Mercury as Dharakaraka indicates that through your relationships, you seek joy, happiness, and fun. You just want to travel a lot with your better half. Now, what kind of partner Mercury will give to you? Well, you will attract someone who is talkative, logical, intelligent, and joyful in nature. Your partner will own the art of speaking, a brilliant communicator who can win this world with his or her own speech. This person won't let you feel sad or lonely all the time because he or she knows how to add more fun, liveliness, and adventure in life. Irrespective of the age, your partner will have a childlike energy. There will be a great curiosity to experience everything in this world. Due to this intense young energy, your partner will constantly demand your attention. And how this person will attain your attention? By constantly engaging into conversation through communication. So it could be that you two will talk a lot, and through communication this bond will get stronger. Planet Mercury carries a dual nature, which signifies that the partner may exhibit moody nature. That duality and constant changing of thoughts could give some conflicts, as it will affect the decision-making ability of your spouse. So you cannot expect complete discipline and a fixed lifestyle pattern of your partner. More than a spouse, you will share a bond of pure love and friendship, as your partner will have a lot of excitement and curiosity to explore this world. You will definitely travel extensively with this person. The best part about this placement is your partner will have a great ability to adapt to difficult situations, and this amazing ability of your partner will protect you from many challenging situations. If Mercury is afflicted, then that quick-witted, smart and logical nature will turn into manipulation, deception and restless mind. So it's important that you analyze the placement of Mercury in a detailed manner. Now, for your partner, freedom is everything. The moment you try to control this person, you will become the greatest threat. Just like the whole world requires oxygen to live, your partner requires freedom. Due to the dual nature of planet Mercury, sometimes your partner may not stick to the decisions. Over here, the ability to earn money will be amazing. This person exactly knows how to extract money, how to sell things to the world. Partner will teach you about survival skills. Through marriage, you will acquire higher knowledge in how to deal with the competitive and manipulative world. Slowly and gradually, your partner's intense excitement plus mental energy will transform into a desire to serve this world. Remember that Mercury as Dharakaraka itself means that in marriage, you have to work towards balance in communication and developing a friend-like bond with your partner. Occasionally, you might receive some criticism from your partner because this person will expect you to work according to his or her own intentions. But overall, Mercury as Dharakaraka is a splendid placement because through your partner, you will find a best friend, a friend who is full of joy and excitement. This partnership will be all about learning and exploration of this world. Over here, no one is the king or the queen, just two best friends and a bond of pure love. There will be something quite magical about your partner's smile and laughing manner that will keep you enchanted. But yes, if Mercury is afflicted, then things can really change. So guys, that's all for today's video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. See you. Take care.